Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in, zoom out this recorded screen. Okay, just to that just import a video clip and new clip sequence. First we need to select at what point we need to zoom in. In my case I want to zoom. In my case I want to zoom at this keyframe. Just select the keyframe and go to the screen effect control right here. If your Windows doesn't appear effect control, go to Windows and check this effect control. Okay, so I wanna zoom this at this point. Just to create two keyframes of position and scale. The position means that this moves the screen vertically and horizontal, and this one scale is zooming in, zooming out. So just create the two keyframes and move three keyframes ahead. 1 2 3. Okay, maybe you didn't notice because it is two small points. The number of keyframes decide how fast um, the zooming in. Okay, now we done, and just create another two keyframes here and let's do the zooming. Okay, and move. Okay, we're done. So to zoom out, just zoom to zoom out, just move where you want to zoom out to the original. So in my case I need to zoom out at this point. Okay, let's create two keyframes and move another three keyframes, 1 2 3, and just create another two keyframes and reset it by clicking this like this. So this is how it works, how it's done. Let's check. Okay guys, this is how it works. So let me show you the keyframes. Now maybe you will notice here there are many keyframes. Yes, the gap between these two keyframes it decide how fast your zooming out effect work, and in these two gap between this, the distance shows how fast your effect zooming in. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.